artists. Today, we're drawing someone so special, Daniel Tiger. Look, he's happily waving to say hello. Can you wave back to Daniel? Get your pencils ready, and let's start sketching. For more creative fun, don't forget to check out our coloring books on Amazon. By searching for Pinky Art, you'll find it. Together, let's enjoy some fun drawing. Daniel Tiger is based on Daniel Striped Tiger from Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. Can you make a happy tiger sound like Daniel? Wow! That was so terrific! He always wears his red sweater and sneakers, just like Mr. Rogers. Daniel teaches us about kindness, feelings, and friendship. What's your favorite thing about Daniel Tiger? That's a great choice. His favorite saying is terrific. Can you say it too? He lives in the neighborhood of make-believe with his family and friends. If you could visit the neighborhood of make-believe, what would you do first? That sounds so fun! Are you having fun drawing with me? Yay! I'm so happy you're here. Awesome! Look at our drawing. It's so terrific. Daniel is smiling and waving, and we did an amazing job drawing him. Now, it's time to add colors. Take out your markers or crayons and let's make it bright and colorful. Daniel loves to sing songs that help us learn new things. What's your favorite song from Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood? Musical notes. Oh, I love that one too. His best friends are O the Owl, Katerina Kitty Cat, Prince Wednesday, and Miss Elena. Would you like to be friends with Daniel Tiger? Yay! Daniel would love that. When Daniel feels upset, he takes a deep breath to calm down. Let's try it. Inhale, exhale. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. His dad is Daniel Striped Tiger, and his little sister is Margaret. Who is your favorite character from Daniel Tiger's neighborhood? Great choice! They're all so nice! Daniel teaches us that talking about our feelings is important. What do you think Daniel is saying while he waves? That's a great guess. Can you wave back to Daniel? Wow! That was a great wave. We did it! We drew such a cute Daniel Tiger. I'm so proud of you. If you love coloring, don't forget you can check out my Pinky Art coloring books on Amazon. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you next time. Keep creating and having fun.